Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs, formerly known as Crafty Mama. So I am in my car, which is something that I definitely don't normally do. I'm trying to find some good lighting here and I can't. There we go. I am going to be doing something a little different, which is going to be a sublimation haul. I know that a lot of people like to find cheap blanks that they can give for gifts, like quickly. Like you have an event that's coming up, well, maybe not necessarily now that COVID is going on, but whatever. But I know sometimes I get frustrated if I need something that's quick and I don't want to go on Etsy and order it and wait 2 weeks or a week to get it. I want to be able to just try to find something that I can use as a quick gift, like at Dollar Tree, Five Below, TJ Maxx, whatever. You can sublimate on anything that is 100% polyester. I'm sorry, I'm trying to find a spot for my little camera. Okay, you can sublimate on anything that is 100% polyester. It doesn't have to be like a blank that you get from Etsy or Great Blanks or Condi. It just has to be 100% polyester, whether it's going to be and that's for clothing. So whether if it's going to be like a blanket, a shirt, a hoodie, a towel, it just has to be not even 100% polyester. I prefer things that are 100% polyester, but the higher the polyester count, the better. So anyways, what I'm going to do today is I am going to go into Five Below, which if you don't know what Five Below is, where have you been if you don't know what Five Below is? Everything in this store is $5 and below. So I am going to go in here and see what I can find to sublimate on or craft with or whatever. So this is just gonna be a sublimation haul from Five Below, so stick around. Okay, Five Below. Oh, this lady decided to park her car right there. Awesome sauce. Five Below. So yeah, I will meet y'all back here after this haul. What's up guys? So I am back from Five Below. We have a bunch of different goodies here. Everything I found I think was 100% polyester. Now my Five Below didn't have a whole lot of things, but I did grab what I could find and I want to share that with you guys today. The total amount of money that I spent on all of these items was $20. With tax it was like 21 and some change. So I only spent $20 today. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. Okay, I am going to start with this pack of socks. I haven't done a sock sublimation tutorial on my channel yet. Matter of fact, I think we'll go ahead and we will sublimate these today. We might as well. Just so we can see what they look like. You get 10 pair of socks and let's see. I have my receipt here. So you got the 10 pair of socks for $5. 10 pair of socks for $5 for all 10 pairs. Okay, so that's pretty good, especially if you're gonna sell them. Like if you're gonna sublimate the whole sock and then sell them for, I don't know how much you would sell socks for, $5 to $7 per pair or something like that, I would think. But I will go ahead and sublimate a pair of these today just to see how they work and how they look. So the next thing I got were these two kind of iridescent makeup bags. These little, they're actually technically pencil cases, but I am going to be using them for like a travel makeup bag. When I travel, I am the type of person where I don't take a whole bunch of makeup. I might take one foundation, my eyebrow pencil, a pair of tweezers, and some lip gloss, and really that's it for me. That's all I take because I don't wear a whole bunch of makeup as is, so I don't need a big old makeup case to carry a whole bunch of makeup. I just have a couple of things, maybe one lipstick, one lip gloss, my eyebrow pencil, maybe a pair of tweezers if I gotta fix my lashes, and like a foundation, okay, and one brush. But that's it. And it's not even gonna be the liquid foundation. I am gonna take a foundation stick or the powder, because that's all I need, okay? So everything I would need would fit in one of these, so I grabbed 2 of them. These are 100% polyester, and we are going to sublimate onto one of these today and see what happens. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but we finna see. And one of these was $3, so $6 for both. Okay, so like if you wanted to gift this, even if you wanted to make it as a pencil case for a little girl and, you know, put something on the front, even if the sublimation, we're going to try the sublimation today to see if it works, but even if it doesn't, you could use permanent vinyl on this and you can still gift it. Okay, so $3. And then the last thing I got was this throw blanket here. It is a Teddy Sherpa throw. It's a 50 by 60. So it's an okay size. This was $5 even, and it's 100% polyester. I'm not gonna sublimate on this today, but maybe I will in you know, a future video. But it is 100% polyester. It's not pure white. It's kind of a off-white. It's not necessarily cream either. It's a little like eggshell, like a little off-white. The inside of it is black, and then the outside. So maybe if you did like a black silhouette image or something of a black woman or whatever you wanted to do. It's 100% polyester, and it is very, very soft. And this was only $5. Unfortunately, that is literally all the items that I have, because like I said, my Five Below didn't have a whole lot of stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and head into my craft room, and we're gonna sublimate a pair of socks, and we're gonna sublimate one of those makeup cases, and we're gonna see if we can sublimate on these items. Okay, so I'll meet you in my craft room. All right guys, so I'm back here. I have my socks, my pair of socks I'm gonna sublimate. And then I have the Iridescent Makeup Bag, okay? And it does come with like a little ball on here as well. It's just super cute little makeup bag slash pencil case, maybe for like a little girl. I'm gonna be using my Cricut Easy Press, because these items are pretty small and I can press with it, so I don't have to worry about any lines or anything like that. Now what I did go ahead and do was I already wiped this off. I just have some Clorox wipes. I wiped this off front and back, even though I'm only going to be doing it on one side. I wiped it off already with my Clorox wipes. So I'm going to go ahead. Here's my image I'm going to put on the front. I measured it at about 6 wide, and it was about 3.1 tall is the size I made this. And we are just going to stick it the right way. I had it upside down. Stick it right on here. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Cricut heat tape on here, just to avoid any possible shadowing. And then you want to get a piece of butcher paper. So let me grab that 1 second. My butcher paper is always somehow on the ground, and I'm not sure why. Okay. Got my piece of butcher paper. I'm going to cut it because I don't need this big of a piece. Okay. Got my butcher paper. Going to go ahead and cover it. Now, I'm not going to press the zipper. I'm going to put the press up to right there. I'm going to cover the whole thing with the butcher paper, but I'm only going to put my press up to where the image is. And I do have my heat press on 400 degrees, and I'm going to do it for about 40 seconds. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and apply pressure, and then I'm going to press this for about 40 seconds, so I will be back. Okay, so I'm back. This makeup bag, as far as sublimation, is going to be an absolutely not, okay? It melted. As you can see, it a little iridescent part on it. It says it's 100% polyester. Maybe they wasn't talking about the outside of it. Maybe they was talking, I don't know what they was talking about as far as what's polyester, because it's not this bag, honey. It's not this bag, okay? No, it melted, okay? It melted terribly. Like, the paper is actually melted onto it. I can't get it off. So, they lying. Somebody lying. Which is why I'm glad I bought a second one. Because I kind of had a feeling. I had a feeling that it wasn't going to work. It was too good to be true. It was super, super cute. So yeah, I'm looking at the tag here. It says the whole thing is 100% polyester. Okay, body, lining, 100% polyester. The whole thing. So why it melted, I'm not for sure. Anywho, it did. So sublimation for the makeup, the pencil case / makeup bag, that's gonna be an absolutely not, okay? But you can put permanent vinyl on here. So I think I'm gonna put a permanent vinyl on this one. Just some black permanent vinyl on the front, kind of like how I've done, you know, y'all see me do permanent vinyl on stuff a bunch of different times. So you can still put permanent vinyl on here, which is what I'm going to do with this one. I figured that one was too good to be true. That's why I bought two. Okay, socks up next. I am going to press, I have a girl. I'm going to press onto the socks. And I'm just going to put her right on the top. So I kind of set them out. Like, this is the heel part and then this is the top. And then I am just going to, I'm actually going to give them a quick pre-press, flatten them out, and then I'm just going to go over it, give it a quick pre-press, make sure there's no moisture. Okay, now I'm going to take the girl and I'm going to place her right on top. This might be easier if you had like a sock insert or something that you can insert on the inside of it, which I do not. But I'm just gonna go ahead and tape this down. So that it stays in place. Okay, let me get the other one. Okay. This one just don't want to stay. Come on, sock. Okay. I'm gonna have to take it down on the sides too, because this one don't want to stay for whatever reason. And then make sure you're using your, if you're using your Cricut Easy Press, you're using the little heat pad that comes with it. It's just to protect anything that's underneath this press. Okay, got it, our socks taped down. I'm gonna go ahead and add the butcher paper on top. Same thing, I am going to press these socks 400 degrees for 40 seconds. So I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I just did my socks for 40 seconds. Now, I forgot to lint roll. Make sure y'all lint roll because I can see, like, if you've ever sublimated, if you leave lint on there, for some reason when it heats up, it turns like these little blue specks. These socks are for me. I'm not selling these to nobody, so I don't particularly care. But if you're going to get these to sell, make sure you lint roll. I just forgot to lint roll them. But the socks turned out super, super cute. They're hot. Hold on. Okay, so here is the sock. Okay, so this is how it came in the pack. I wanted the girl to be on top, so when I wear the sock, you'll see her on the top of my foot. Okay, the socks came out really, really, really super cute, and it's super vibrant. Now this is still the hypo ink from my previous videos, and I will link that down in the description box. I got it from Amazon. Well, they sent it to me from Amazon, but I will link it down below if you guys want to try it out. This is the hypo ink. Okay, I will link all my materials, the paper, the ink, the printer, all of that down below. Like I said, I got 10 pair of these socks for $5 from Five Below. They're 100% polyester, and they sublimated beautifully. No issues at all. Now, this, somebody lied. It's not 100% polyester. Can't be. Okay, it got to be mixed with something or coated with something or something on here because, boo. No. It didn't work. But yeah, that's all I have for this video, you guys. If you have any specific like local stores you want me to try hauls from, definitely drop them down below and I will try to see if they're in my area. I'm gonna be doing more hauls like this from different stores, or like if I go into Five Below and I find some more items that I didn't see before, you know, I'll try to stack up stuff from different stores so that you can see where you can get sublimation blanks for cheaper, you know, from your local stores.